Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing product which is known as Chicago coins. Before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. Chicago coin, empowering esports with blockchain innovation. Chicago coin introduces CLT token, a blockchain replaced solution revolutionizing the esports economy. Join a fair, transparent ecosystem connecting gamers, developers as well as fans. So current market size is almost more than $2 billion. Annual growth is 20%. Global viewers are more than 500 million plus, and tournament price is almost $100 million. Down here you can check out the roadmap. Roadmap started from June 2025 and it's all the way up to December 2026. So you can see major updates into the product. Down here you can check out the white profit is amazing product. All of the product details are given here, such as the total supply is $1 billion. Smart contract is on ERC20 chain, multi-chain compatibility are some of the features. Also you can check out the partners include Bit Exchange, ICO Agency, Crypto Forest, Bitco.ai and Bitcoin, Coin Market Cap and much more. Also you can check out the about section is very amazing. Their vision is really good. Their vision is to revolutionize the esports industry by providing gamers with true ownership of digital assets, fostering collaboration and promoting economic inclusion through a decentralized economy. Also why you should choose them. So they have in-game transactions, community rewards, awareness, cross-platform introductions are some of the features. The ecosystem is really amazing. They include gamers, partners, developers as well as investors. Also the frequently asked questions are given on the website, so if you are facing any issue you can check out this section and you will find the answers, such as it's deployed on the Ethereum chain. The pre-sale details as well as the claiming details are shown here. So make sure you follow them onto the social media handles such as X handle, Instagram handle, Telegram handle and subscribe their YouTube channel. So now let's check out the audit. They have been audited by Quill Auditing Company. It's one of the top auditing company and they had done the audit of their smart contract and considered the product is safe and secure. So this is really a bonus point. So guys, make sure to check out this amazing product. This product has a lot of use case and growth is looking good. So make sure to check it out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.